Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see how to run Selenium script in headless browser mode. Okay, so in order to run that I have already created main method. So in main method I have written web driver equal to new Chrome driver, which will open the Chrome browser. Okay, so the second line which I written, which will open the Google page. Okay, so after that, in the third line I have written to get the title of the page which is open, that's Google page. Okay, so it will be printing the title. So after that it will be waiting for 5 seconds. I have given 5 seconds thread.sleep in order to wait, then only we can observe the page. Okay, so after that it will be closing all the Chrome session that is open. Okay, so it will close all the Chrome browser window. Okay, so we will run and check first in UI mode. So before we are getting into the headless mode. Okay, so in order to run, I am clicking on run as Java application. So doing that, it will open the google.com, and after waiting for 5 seconds, it will be closing the window. So here it is printing like Google. Okay, so the title of the google.com page is Google. So it is printing Google. Okay, so in order to activate headless mode, we need to have, so currently I am using Selenium 4.21. Okay, so the way we are going to enable the headless mode, that is available in 4 version of Selenium. Okay, in Selenium 4 only it will be working. Okay, right, Chrome option, and I am giving here as options equal to new Chrome options. Okay, so now I'm going to add options dot, I'm going to add the argument. Okay, so here I will mention Chrome. In Chrome options, I'm going to mention headless equal to new. Okay, so hyphen headless equal to new. If you pass in this way, so it will be working. Okay, so now we have written and added, we have written the Chrome options and added the headless equal to new, but we are not passing this in the Chrome driver. If you are giving in this way, it will not be working. Okay, so you need to pass this option inside the Chrome driver. Okay, as a, then only the argument will be getting passed, otherwise it will be getting failed and it will be running in normal UI mode. Okay, so now I have passed this argument headless equal to new here. Okay, so now it will be getting enabled and it will run in the headless mode. Okay, I will clear this one. So then only we can find the difference, like when you are running in headless mode, you can identify like what is getting printed here. Okay, so I am right clicking here, run as Java application. So now you can observe the page is not getting open, but here you can see the title is getting printed. Okay, so more we will be using the headless mode when we are having a requirement to work parallelly and automation scripts need to be performing in the other side. So you can use when you are having, a requirement to run the automation script in the same machine which you are working. Okay, you are doing the testing in the other side and the automation scripts need to be running. It will not be getting disturbed. Okay, so in that option you can use. And when you are using automation to run in headless mode, it will be faster compared to the normal UI mode Selenium script running. Okay, so you can use in that time also. Okay, so previously we are using so different approach. Okay, Chrome options provided by the Google Chrome, whatever given by them earlier was different. Okay, so they are using a different approach, so which was not supporting some of the options available in the Chrome. Okay, something like extension and those things were not supported in the Chrome. Okay, so the previous headless mode was not supporting that. So but in the newer one it is getting the support. Okay, so they have a different approach in the new headless mode. So when you are using hyphen headless equal to new, it will be supporting the extension. Okay, so I am copying the same and pasting in the bottom. So here I am changing old instead of new. I am going to change old and I am commenting the above line. Okay, so this one when you are having, it will be using the older approach. Okay, so this will not be supporting extension. And not only extension, we have some other capabilities also in the new headless mode feature, so that also will not be supported. So the main one is extension, so I am mentioning that one. Okay, so we have some other feature also. So the way the newer one is developed is totally different from the older one. Okay, so it is advisable to use the newer one. Okay, so I am showing this older one, so in order to understand so whether that option is available still. Okay, so if you are not going to use extension, and you can use this also. Okay, this approach also can be used, but they will be depreciating in coming days. Okay, so now I am going to run with the older approach. Okay, so when I am running with older approach also it is working. Okay, I am commenting this one and enabling this again, so in order to monitor whether that is also working. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so this will be working, whatever we have seen, this will be working with Selenium 4. Okay, so you try this in the Selenium 4. I am using 4.21. Okay, so that's all I have for today. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.